Welcome to another episode of Best Budget Tech on the Internet. Now today I found a webcam, a Logitech webcam, that I believe is the best webcam for the money right now. So here is the Logitech c920 webcam. Now this does shoot videos in 1080p and it also shoots pictures in 15 megapixels. Now this webcam has two microphones which can capture you talking from the other side of the room. Now it has 5 lenses inside of this webcam, which makes it so much better at focusing and a lot better than your average camera. Now this webcam is tripod ready. All you have to do is screw it in to the bottom. Now the webcam does come with a 4.5-foot USB cord, which is very nice considering you have to plug it in order to record. Now I've seen these same specs in a webcam that is like $150 to $200, so I'm very surprised Logitech can make this for so cheap. Now I have to say, it does look like a lot of webcams that Logitech makes. It looks identical, besides the bottom, a little bit different with the tripod, but besides that, it looks identical. Now if you want to get the upgrade for this, it's going to be like $100, $150, and I have to say it is hardly better. It has like a little bit different, but it is not worth the money. Now when it comes to the optimization on this webcam is amazing. You can adjust the brightness, the contrast, and the saturation by a lot. One option I love on this webcam is you can click a button to make it follow your face. So if you put your face down here, the whole camera will shift and it'll focus on your face, which I think is really interesting, especially if you're filming entertainment or anything of that sort. It's nice that it follows your face. The audio on this webcam is great when it comes to distance, but when it comes to quality, I would say it's probably around a $30 microphone if you want to compare them. Alright guys, if you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe if you want me to do more best budget tech videos in the future. Alright guys, if you want this webcam, check out the description for I'll have a link that will have a 30% off on it, and I'll also have another link for the software that you need to run this. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.